Pat over girls like a malice. Take a white girl like a gallus. No cushion on my pocket. Money just higher than a rocket. Bad vibes and jealousy. Good vibes and Hennessy. My girl just left me. Check. Grab a next one next week.
So, who am I here with today?
Kelsey.
What do you think the most used slang words in your vocabulary is?
I would probably say fairs.
Ooh.
I say fairs all the time.
Ooh.
And it's like, fairs is just like, okay, fair enough. Like, okay.
Yeah.
Or like, if I'm mad at someone and they do something a bit like, and I'm like, fairs, okay, you do you. It's just a sentence filler, fairs. It just means okay.
Fairs.
Or when I have nothing to say, I just be like, fairs. Fairs, okay. But yeah, there's not really much meaning, and people use it so like,
For everything.
universally, it's just like, fairs. Who am I here with today?
My name is Jovan. I'm 20. I'm from Northwest London.
Wait.
What?
Wait. Okay, do that again. Who am I here with?
My name is Jovan. I'm 20 and I'm from Northwest London.
All right, Northwest in the building. Give me 3 of your top slang words in your vocabulary that you use, like personalized to you.
I don't even use slang like that.
Don't you?
No.
From Northwest, you don't use slang?
No.
Wow, we've got someone sophisticated in the building.
That's-
It doesn't have to be slang, just something that you say.
Well, a lot.
Yeah.
Fairs.
I said that. Okay, what does fairs mean to you?
It is what it is, isn't it? Fairs.
It is what it is.
Do you get it? Or like, do you get me? Like, I say, do you get it? Like sometimes I didn't even know what I'm saying. I'll just be like, do you get it? Like, after I'm just waffling out of nothing, I'll just be like, you get me though? Like, do you get it?
What does that actually mean though to the people that don't use you get me?
To be honest, I say it the most and I don't really know myself. I'm just like, it's just a sentence filler, you know, just a little thing to say. Do you get it? Like, a little overview. It adds a little...
It's just like a full stop, like...
It's full stop.
It's like a rhetorical question, like, do you get it?
Do you get it? Like, I don't
Do you get it?
I don't really expect someone to be like, oh yeah, I do understand you. I'm just like, like,
Do you get it? Do you get it? Like...
My most common slang word is bruv. Okay,
Of course it is.
What does slang mean to you?
To me, like slang, it's like a way to communicate with the community in a way that you feel comfortable doing so. Like, because obviously slang is like commonly used with the people who who migrated to like Harrow Road area. So things like bruv, blood, wagwan, that all originated from people who migrated to this area in the Windrush community. So it's like a way of communicating comfortably with the area.
And what's your most common used slang word?
I actually don't know. Bye. I think it's like, what? It's either bruv or blood. Simple.
What does the word bruv mean? Bruv is like a brother or bro for short. And how would you use it in a sentence? Bruv, stop pissing me off, bruv.
Just brother. I don't know.
Yeah, brother, right?
I just say it.
Yeah. Do you want to use it in a sentence? Or can you?
I'm good, bruv.
I'd be like, bruv, can you get me something? Yeah, that's how I'd use that word.
what does bro mean to you?
Brother.
Use it in a sentence.
Yo, my bro.
What does bro mean to you?
It's just, I use it every single sentence. If I'm saying something, I'm about to speak to someone, I'm like, bro, guess what? Like, bro, this, bro, that. It's just
okay, use it to address people.
Bro is very versatile. Bro can be used as a comma. It can be used as the beginning of a sentence.
Right.
It can be used as the last of a sentence. It can be used full stop, exclamation mark, semicolon. It could be anything. Bro's not just a UK thing, obviously.
Yeah.
But yeah, like bro, it's just. Bro, you don't even have to be a bro to use bro. You can be a girl to use bro.
Blink on the Jordan, then me go touch the road. Check. Some step out the darkness, rifle hit all the targets. YGs hit up the parties, send them nicely talk to the Barbies. Check. Some step out the darkness, rifle hit.
What does the word butters mean to you?
So the word butters to me is like ugly. So like someone's like, oh yeah, my dog's so cute. I'll be like, no, your dog's butters.
Okay.
Butters means like when you use it in expressions like you're ugly.
How would you use it in a sentence?
I met a girl last night and she was butters.
Waste man is a perfect word to describe someone that is just a complete waste of time, doesn't really do anything with his life, or doesn't serve you specifically a purpose. So it's like if someone's like talking to me, just completely wasting my time, doesn't serve me anything, it's a waste man.
Ultimate expression of saying they're a big loser.
And how would you use that in a sentence?
All of my teammates are waste man when it comes to volleyball.
Waste man I see as a person who's not really doing much, not productive, low drive, and failing as a man.
And how would you use that as a sentence?
That's a good question. So, okay. Charlene's partner, or the father of Charlene's children, is a waste man.
What does bear mean to you?
Well, to me, bear was like, it was confusing as a Caribbean person coming up. A man said, bear man. You're like, bear man?
Oh,
What's
yeah?
bear man? But to us, when you say bear, it means like the fruit has bear in it, like a plant, like a mango tree, bear fruit, bear mangoes. But with us, you know, it's like in Trinidad, might say plenty man.
Yeah.
Or enough man in Jamaican lingo, you know what I mean? But the Caribbean is just different words that were just confusing to us.
Yeah.
But we get to understand it and incorporate it in our language, as you know what I mean?
What does peak mean to you? Sad. Use it in a sentence.
That's bare peak.
Big up Max.
What do you guys know about slang words?
What I know about slang is commonly used amongst other young people and adults. And it has got a change in people's life. You could communicate in a way like wagwan, tell someone wagwan, you send them hello, but obviously using a bit of slang.
On greeting one of my peers and seeing someone I haven't seen in a while, or just in a day, I'll say wagwan.
When someone addressed me as wagwan blood, you say like, he's addressing you as a friend, innit? As a brother. You know what I mean? Come like back home, you know what I'm going? You say, what's happening, my brethren? Same thing.
Yeah.
So I kind of like that word, and it kind of incorporated it, the Caribbean style too, so yeah.
And would you like to use that as a sentence for our final?
Yeah. So that's my blood over there, innit? Wagwan blood, everything's good. Yeah? You been have a good day, yeah? You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So it's like them kind of things there still.
That's mad.
Okay, what does that smad mean to you?
It's like something when it's like crazy or it's like overhyped.
Yeah, okay, could you use it in a sentence?
I can't lie, what the teacher did was that's mad. What does raw mean to you?
Raw means it's like what you use when you're shocked. So if you see something that's out of the ordinary, your initial thought will be raw because you're like shocked.
Oh yeah.
So if you see something that you're shocked at, straight away you'll be like, raw, what's that? Or raw, who's that?
Calm. Okay, what does calm mean to you?
Like,
what does it mean? Like, just when you think of calm, like, what do you think of?
Like peaceful, relaxing. Like,
yeah. Okay, use calm in a sentence.
I feel calm.
What is the word you use the most in your vocabulary? Like slang word?
Slang word?
Yeah, any word that you use a lot.
It's calm.
It's calm. What does it's calm mean to you?
It's calm means like it's okay, it's chill, it's fine.
A few moments later.
Making money is my middle name.
Oh, the lower class. I pity them. Hey,
That reminds me. Hello.
Oh, well, what are you saying?
How are you?
What did you do today? Nothing, I can't lie. Just kick back and chill. What about you, broski?
Oh, I just went to Pret a Manger, picked up some sort of tea and cakes and all sorts. Yet I still find myself famished. I'd love a Caribbean patty of some kind.
Is it?
Yes, most definitely.
Ah, that's mad, bruv. Them things are bussin'. I can't lie, my marsh made bear the other day, blood.
Oh my goodness gracious me, how delectable.
Yeah, fam, they were paying still. But these waste man was supposed to come collect it the other day from my yard. Joke, man.
Heavens above, waste man. I'm astounded. I cannot believe that.
Calm down. I beg you pass me that.
Yeah, my guy.
Oh, that's wonderful, my love. Such warm-hearted friends you have.
Nah, fam, this guy's so waste, man. Anyways, imagine the end's even hot right now. It's peak out here, it's like oil and water. But man ain't involved, man just lives here, innit?
Opponents? What on earth possesses you to have opponents?
Nah, man ain't involved, man's just speaking, innit?
I cannot even fathom their reasoning behind maintaining opposition.
Bro, you don't even know, fam! Bro, I don't even know, I don't even know! This is an A&B conversation. See yourself out?
See yourself out? And a lie?
Bro, wrong thing.
Wrong thing?
You're saying it wrong, G.
Oh, right. A lie. Not an lie, I should say. I'm still learning.
Yeah, fam.
But I digress. I should dash. I have an appointment with my personal stylist this evening.
Is it?
Yes, I'll catch you on the flip side. LOL.
Catch you on the main road.
Say no more.
Madula.
I see.
Shut up, bro.
Do you get it? Or like, do you get me? Like, I say, do you get it? Like I did it, sometimes I didn't even know what I'm saying. I'll just be like, do you get it? Like, after I'm just waffling out of nothing, I'll just be like, you get me though? Like, do you get it? It's just a sentence filler, you know, just a little thing to say. Do you get it? Like, a little overview. Yeah, it adds a little...
It's just like a full stop, like...
It's full stop.
It's like a rhetorical question, like, do you get it?
Do you get it? Like,
do you get it?
I don't really expect someone to be like, oh yeah, I do understand you. I'm just like, like,
do you get it? Do you get it? Like, fair enough, like, okay.